12th class chemistry beta is a sub question topic that is electrophoresis. Yus colloidal solutions yim tath maz particles dispersed and dispersed mean they are charged particles. Yus tim charged particles is separate karan tim colloidal solutions in the influence under the influence of an electric field, that is called electrophoresis. Yeah, cataphoresis. The presence of the charged or colloidal particle solution, whether positive or negative, can be done with the help of an electrophoresis. It involves migration of colloidal particles towards the opposite charge electrodes. Electrodes battery से connect करी गो positive terminal ये negative terminal है तो ये colloidal solution current pass electric field create तम समिक opposite charge particles positive negative kun तो negative positive kun. It involves migration of colloidal particles towards opposite charge electrodes under the influence of electric current. Thus, electrophoresis may be defined as the movement of opposite charged particles under the influence of applied electric field. This is electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is a method colloidal solutions opposite charged particles separate under the influence of an electric current. Move towards opposite charged electrodes. Electrophoresis. This question last question, that's emulsion. Emulsion emulsion basically colloidal solutions already dispersed phase to dispersion medium. The liquids magar generally immiscible liquids that solution emulsion. An emulsion may be defined as the colloidal solution in which both the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium are normally immiscible liquids. Miscible कहीं तो लिहाजा miscible stable solution for example milk emulsion fat in water. Dispersed phase is always in small amount, dispersed medium is always already solution solute in small amount, solvent goes colloidal solution dispersed phase come, dispersion medium is not usually stable. You must colloidal solution generally stable, emulsion stable stable banana agents substance stable stabilizing agents emulsifiers. Emulsifying agents emulsifiers are those substances which are added to the colloidal solution to make them stable. Emulsions emulsions solutions dispersed the dispersion medium generally immiscible miscible separate boundaries of separation stabilize particular substance stable stabilizer emulsifying agent. Oil water emulsion, water in water emulsion. Oil goes dispersed phase, go dispersion medium. Water in oil, water go dispersed phase, oil go dispersion. Oil water emulsions. Oil water emulsions oil go dispersed phase, water go dispersion phase. In this type of emulsion, oil forms the dispersed phase, water is the dispersion medium. These emulsions are known as aqueous emulsion. Aqueous emulsions. Aqueous emulsions. Water is a dispersion medium. For example, milk. Milk in which fat is dissolving, in which fat come water fat. Question explain milk is an aqueous emulsion. is what type of emulsion milk is at one aqueous emulsion تکیازِ اتھ منٛز چھُ fat آسان dissolve کٔرِتھ in water fat کم quantity گوٚو سُہ گوٚو disperse space water گوٚو dispersion medium اَمہِ پتہٕ کیٛاہ سُہ گوٚو بیٹا water in oil کیٛاہ سُہ گوٚو water in oil اَتھ چھِ کَرٕنۍ تۄہہِ کٲم آلریڈی رِپیٖٹلی تۄہہِ وَنان چھُ یہِ چھِ پَران چھِ اَتھ سۭتۍ سۭتۍ پَتہٕ پَنٕنۍ بُک کَرٕنۍ این سی آر ٹی بُک کَرٕنۍ کَنسَلٹ پَنُن نوٹ کَرُن کَنسَلٹ اَصٕل پٲٹھۍ پَرُن ٹھیٖک پٲٹھۍ پَتہٕ کھالٕنۍ رِوِجَنٕز تہِ کھالٕنۍ water in oil وٕچھو water in oil کیٛاہ چھِ کٔرمٕژ in this type of emulsion water اَتھ منٛز گژھان کٲم water کیٛاہ سُہ گوٚو اَتھ منٛز water گوٚو اَتھ منٛز dispersed phase کیٛاہ سُہ گوٚو water گوٚو اَتھ منٛز dispersed phase تہٕ oil کیٛاہ سُہ گوٚوُس oil چھُ زیادٕ اَتھ منٛز یہِ چھُ dispersion medium ٹھیٖک ہے بیٹا dispersion medium in this type of emulsion water forms the dispersed phase and oil for the dispersed phase ٹھیٖک these are known as oil emulsions یِمن چھِ وَنان أسۍ oily emulsions اَتھ وَنو أسۍ oily emulsions چھِ وَنان oily emulsion یِم لۄکٕٹۍ لۄکٕٹۍ یِم پویِنٹٕس چھِ یِم چھِ وَنان ایٚگزام 1 point marks لَگان oily emulsion what are oily emulsions یَتھ منٛز oil آسہِ dispersion medium these are also known as oily emulsion cod liver oil and cold creams اَتھ منٛز گوٚو ایٚگزامپٕل کیٛاہ سُہ گوٚو cod oil یا بیٛاکھ گوٚو cold creams water in oil اَتھ منٛز چھِ oily آسان زیادٕ evidently this type of emulsion depends upon the relative amount of the two liquids if water is in excess it is oil water emulsion if oil is going to go ٹھیٖک آسہِ but the nature of the emulsion whether oil depends it can be detection کَتھ کَرو ڈِٹیکٹ کِتھ پٲٹھۍ ہٮ۪کو أسۍ ڈِٹیکشن کٔرِتھ کُس چھُ oil water کُس چھُ water oil نمبر 1 dilution test اَسہِ اگر ایملشنا اکھ دِتھ چھُ اَسہِ کَرُن یہِ چھا اَتھ منٛز چھا واٹر ڈِسپٔرشن میٖڈیم کِنہٕ اویل گوٚو تَمہِ خٲطرٕ چھِ أسۍ اکھ ڈایلوٗشن ٹیسٹ وٕچھو تھٔۍ بیٹن ڈایلوٗشن ٹیسٹ منٛز کیٛاہ وَنو ٹُو د ایملشن ٹیکن اِن اے بیٖکر a small amount of water is added in case it gets diluted it is an example of oil in water type if water forms a separate air then it is water in oil وٕچھ کیٛاہ گوٚو أسۍ نِمو اکھ ایملشن in a beaker کیٛاہ سا نیوٗ بیٹا اَسہِ beaker add water تھوڑا تراوس water چھا ٹھیٖک if it gets diluted اگر یہِ dilute گوٚو تیٚلہِ کیٛاہ وَنوس if water forms if you dilute تیٚلہِ گوٚو oil in water تیٚلہِ کیٛاہ گوٚو it is an example of oil in water emulsion چھا ٹھیٖک اگر گٔے کٲم اگر وۄنۍ بیٛاکھ چیٖز گٔے if water ترٛوو اَسہِ مگر أمۍ بَنٲو الگ لییر water forms the another layer تَمہِ مطلب گوٚو اَتھ منٛز چھُ oil تیٚلہِ dispersion medium oil چھِ اَتھ منٛز دِوان oil forms then it is an oil in water تیٚلہِ چھُ یہِ کُس emulsion اگر oil الگ layer بَنٲے تیٚلہِ گوٚو یہِ water in oil emulsion ٹھیٖک ہے بیٹا یِتھَے پٲٹھۍ کیٛاہ چھُ نیکسٹ تَتھ وَنان ڈاے میتھڈ کیٛاہ وَنان أسۍ اَتھ أسۍ ڈاے میتھڈ وٕچھو ڈاے میتھڈس منٛز کیٛاہ وَنان تھٔۍ سا in this method an oil soluble dye like fission or pseudoyl is added to the emulsion اگر یہِ ڈاے میتھڈ چھُ کانٛہہ ڈاے اگر نِمو أسۍ سُہ ترٛاوو أسۍ اَتھ منٛز اگر soluble اَتھ منٛز چھُ if it occurs a color entirely background color چھا ٹھیٖک the emulsion is known as water in oil and if only small portion gets colored it is an example of oil in water چھا ٹھیٖک in an oil soluble dye میتھڈس منٛز چھِ کران کٲم oil soluble dye is added oil soluble method if the background of the color yani so background of the emulsion gets colored तेल क्या तेल गो ये it is oil in water it is water in oil क्या अत मे ज्यादा oil सु गो colored तिक तथ मे डाई त्रो सह गो dissolve तथ मे soluble है तेल बन यानी तथ नीर सही कलर बैकग्राउंड में है कलर तेल गो water in oil कलर ये emulsion तेल गो water in oil अगर सह if only अगर थोड़ा गो कलर if only a small portion gets colored तेल गो ये oil in water तिक oil कम अत मज सह कम हन गई colored तो बैकग्राउंड वाटर सह गो कलर्ड कहें तेल गो oil in water